Hi, I'm Dr. Barry Glaser, Orthodontist in Cortland Manor. So today we're going to pull out our mailbag. We get all kinds of questions from patients and I wanted to spend some time answering some of them for you. So the first question we have from our mailbag is, when should my child see an orthodontist? So the American Association of Orthodontists recommend that all children see an orthodontist for a screening exam by the age of 7. Why the age of 7? Lots of exciting things are happening in little mouths by the age of 7. We expect that some adult molars are starting to come in, some of those little baby teeth up front are starting to fall out, and some adult teeth are growing in. And there's lots of things that an orthodontist can determine at the age of 7 about future needs for orthodontic treatment. Things like thumb sucking, crowding, cross bites, overbites, underbites, the list goes on and on. So you don't have to wait for your dentist to give you the green light. You can just go ahead when on your child's 7th birthday, think about the orthodontist and give us a call for a screening exam. It's no charge. We'll take a look and we'll let you know what's going on.